step into the Ram 2013 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: popular equipment group included, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat, Sirius XM satellite radio with 1-year radio service, remote keyless entry with all secure carpeted floor covering, front rear floor mats, 5.7L V8 Hemi multi-displacement VVT engine included, 180 amp alternator, electronically controlled throttle, dual rear exhaust with bright tips, bright silver metallic. Exterior appearance group included, 17 inches x 7 aluminum wheels, bright front bumper, bright rear bumper, bright grille, 17 x 7 aluminum wheels, 3.55 axle ratio, P265/70R17 all-season BSW tires, STD.